Hi everyone, I am Kenneth. Welcome to this tutorial video about Genially, an online tool that lets you create interactive presentations, infographics, posters, games, and so much more. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to use Genially, from creating an account, choosing templates, editing slides, adding interactive elements, and finally sharing your work. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to start making beautiful and engaging projects. So, let's begin. First, open your browser and type genial.ly. On the homepage, click Sign Up if you don't have an account yet. So as you can see on our screen, let's click the Log In Again button. We will be logging in using our Google account. So you can sign up using your Google account, Microsoft, or your email address. So once logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can see your projects and create new ones. So this is the dashboard. On the left side, you'll see menus like Create Genially, My Creations, Templates, and Brand Kit. At the bottom, you'll find your profile, language settings, and help center. So the dashboard is simple. Everything you need is here. Now let us create our first Genially. So let's just click the Create Genially button. And upon clicking, you will see categories like presentations, infographics, interactive elements, gamification, video presentation, and training materials. So Genially has hundreds of ready-made templates, both free and premium. For this tutorial, let's choose presentations. So click on a layout you like. You can preview it first. If you like it, then click Use this template. So let's just wait for it to load. So now we're on our editing slide. So as you can see on the left side, you can see icons such as the text icon, resources, interactive elements, interactive questions, widgets, insert, style, background, and pages. So let us first start with text. So you can edit your text by clicking the text box icon, and upon clicking, you can type in whatever text or whatever information you like. You can also change its font size, and you can also change the font of your text by clicking any fonts you like here. Next is our resources. So upon clicking the resources icon, you will see different images and GIFs, shapes and connections, icons, illustrations, characters, graph, and many more. So you can click different shapes and it will automatically appear on your presentation. You can resize it and drag it anywhere you like, and you can also delete it by clicking the backspace button. You can also add different icons on your presentation. It will automatically appear once you click it, and you can also resize it and drag it whenever or wherever you like on your presentation. So let's move this icon here, right there. Next is illustrations. You can click or you can add whatever illustration you like based on the theme of your presentation. So let's click this trophy illustration and drag it right here. You can also resize it and delete it by clicking the backspace button. Now let's add some characters. So this what makes Genially different from Canva because it has different characters and each character has a specific name. So we have Noah, Matt, Olivia, Ethan, Lucy, Miko, and many more. So let's click Noah. So upon clicking Noah, you will see different emotions and different actions made by her. So let's click this guessing icon. Upon clicking, the guessing icon will automatically appear on your presentation. You can resize it and drag it anywhere you like, and you can also delete it by clicking the backspace button. So let's drag this icon right here, right there. And that's all for the resources. Next is the interactive elements. So the interactive elements make your presentation more engaging to your viewers. So upon clicking the interactive elements icon, you will see different effect stickers. So let's click this clapping effect sticker. It will automatically appear once you click it. You can also resize it and drag it anywhere you like. So let's put this interactive element here. So now you can also change the style of your presentation. Upon clicking the style icon, you will see different colors that you can create based on what color you like. So you can be white, it can be purple, blue, green, or yellow. So it is based on your preference or based on what your favorite color is. Next is the background. You can change the background of your presentation based on what color you like. You can have yellow, green, blue, pink, or white. So it is based on your preference. Lastly, we have the pages icon. So upon clicking the pages icon, you will see all of your pages from pages 1 to 2 or any page you like. So you can see page 2, page 1, and you can add different pages or duplicate any page you like. And if your presentation is ready, just click the share icon and copy the link of your presentation. Just make sure that your presentation is public so everyone can see it. You can also download your presentation and it will automatically be saved from your file and you can view it offline or even without data. So here are some quick tips on how to make an effective presentation from Genially. Use consistent colors and fonts, avoid too much text, keep slides simple and clean, use interaction wisely, and always preview before publishing. And that's it. You now know how to use Genially to create interactive and creative projects. I hope this tutorial helps you make more presentations that are more fun, modern, and engaging. Thank you for watching and don't forget to explore more features inside Genially. Good luck with your project.